Good afternoon. Present to you ZA008 6025. One of my favorite hens I bred for stock. This little hen's father bred us the 7th final at Sapper Summer Race. This is the bloodline that we will be using extensively to cross and test with our new Kettle imports. As expected from this Ace family, superb balance, one tail feather, silky soft hen, beautiful hen, something I will stock myself any day. She's got a typical Ace pigeon wing. This hen will supposedly score from the beginning to the end. Very short forearm there. Look how this wing is jumping up and down in my hand. There's so much vitality here. Mind-blowing quality in my opinion. I might keep her, I might sell her. Who knows, you might be the lucky one.